anniversary. Happy anniversary. Anniversary.
2, 3. Happy anniversary!
Happy birthday, Mama Joe and Daddy. Thank you very much. I love you. Huh? Happy anniversary, Mama Joe and Tita Glenn. I would like to say God bless you and thank you for everything you have done to us, and I love you so much. Enjoy your anniversary. Love you. Anniversary, Mama Joe and Daddy Glenn. Thank you for the blessings po, and I love you so much.
Hi Glenn and hi Joanne. Happy anniversary. Stay in love. Stay supportive to each other. Be a team, okay? Always put the center of your relationship si Papa Jesus, okay? Dito lang ako kapag kailangan niyo ako. I love you both. Thank you for everything. As in, thank you. And, okay? I love you. I miss you both. Mwah!
Hi! Hello mga anak. Especially Joanne. Happy 6 years anniversary, both of you. Siyempre, wish ni Tatay Lito nyo na tumagal pa ang inyong relasyon at pinagpe-pray ko lagi na maging malusog kayo at gabayan kayo ni Lord sa inyong mga desisyon sa mga lahat ng gagawin nyo sa buhay nyo. So, happy 6 years anniversary again. I love you. Love you na. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless.
Happy 6 years anniversary, Len and Joanne.
Keep coming dito. Keep coming dito. Keep coming dito.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Joanne and Glenn. Happy 6th anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Congratulations. And stay strong. Mas tatagal pa yan. I miss you both. And I love you. Mwah. See you soon.
Hi, Lon and Joanne. Happy 6 years anniversary to both of you. Bye.
Hello, Glenn to Joe. Happy 6-year anniversary.
Hi Marlene and Anne. Happy anniversary to both of you. I'm so happy for both of you. And 6 years, it's been a very, very long time that you guys have been together. I hope that you spend a lot of lovely quality times towards each other and more anniversaries you celebrate together with each other. Love you guys a lot. Enjoy the rest of the day.
Hi Bejong, Tol Marlon. Happy anniversary to both of you. May you both celebrate more wonderful years to come. Idol ko na kayo. Love you both.
Happy 6-year anniversary to one of my favorite couples in the whole wide world. 6 is my new favorite number this year. I love you both. Bye-bye.
Hi.
Hello! Happy 6 years anniversary to Marlon and Joanne. Malayo na, pero malayo pa. Mas happy 6 years, grabe 6 years. A lifetime to go. Ako'y sobrang proud na proud sa inyo. Sobrang sa dami ng pagsubok na ibinigay sa inyo, nalampasan nyo lahat ng yun. Diba? Dahil sa pagtutulungan yung dalawa. Diba? Keep going and shot tayo soon. Happy 6 years again!
Hi Tol. Hi Mahal. Happy 6 years anniversary para sa inyong dalawa. Siyempre wala tayong ibang hangad kundi ang kaligayahan ng bawat isa. At siyempre stay strong para sa inyong relationship. More years to celebrate. From Hong Kong with love. We love you. Love you both.
Happy anniversary, Marlon and Joanne. Mapapasana all ka na lang talaga. Sobrang bihira kasi yung relationship na maglalast. How many years kayong LDR and then ngayon, magkasama na kayo sa isang bubong. So sobrang happy ako. Ano ba masasabi ko? Sobrang saya. Naging successful yung relationship. Sana magtagal pa siya ng mahabang panahon hanggang sa pagtanda niyo. Sobrang swerte niyo sa isa't isa. So, sana, wishing you both long life at tumagal pa yung relationship. So, andito lang ako lagi para manggulo. Happy anniversary, guys. I love you both. So, have a nice day and enjoy your moment. Love you guys.
Good morning, Beglen and Joanne. Basta, I just wanna say congrats that you have a long way already together. Happy anniversary, both of you. And then stay happy and love to each other. And miss you, Mahal Joanne, and hopefully, Be, magkita tayo soon. Pasensya na. Tagal mo nang hiningi. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time. Sorry talaga. Tsaka, sana mayroon pa kayong more anniversary together. And stay safe always. And God bless you. And love you. Love you always. I'm here. Kahit malayo ako, anytime, I can talk to you. Miss you. Love you. Bye. Happy anniversary ulit. God bless.
Through the good and the bad, for worse or for better, I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'll love you forever.